Alright, we're gonna get started. Okay, so I hope everyone's day is going well, obviously. It's Wednesday, so we're almost to Friday, so that's exciting. First, I want to just look at the agenda really quick, just so we know what's going on today. We're gonna learn a new morpheme, which it's not over here on the board because I don't want you to know it yet, okay? And then we're gonna go through 3-part drill, and then we're gonna do a journal activity. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna put pictures on the board, and you guys are gonna look at these pictures and try to figure out what the morpheme we're going to be learning today based on those photos. You can jot it down, you can think about it in your head, but don't say the word out loud, okay? If you're like, oh, I know what it is, don't say it out loud because we're going to give the other people a chance to see if they know it or not. Okay, so we're going to take a minute, do this little bell ringer warm up, and then we'll talk about what our word is. Uh-oh, I just told you what it is. That's okay. All right, scratch that, you didn't see it. All right, so look at these pictures and try to figure out what is in each picture. Oh, you're silent.
So if y'all think of something, yell it out.
Don't yell it out yet.
No, don't yell it out. I'm sorry.
Not yet.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I think you're fine. All right, you've looked at all 4. You know it, right? All right, what is it? 1, 2, 3. Photo. It is photo. Okay, so what is this one then?
Photo. That's a picture.
Picture. Okay.
Photograph.
Photograph. I like that one. Photograph. Picture. Okay, what about this one? What do you think that is?
Camera.
Camera. What else could it be?
Telegraph.
Not telegraph. Good guess. There's a person holding a camera. What do we normally call them?
Photographer.
Photographer. Good, Dale. Okay. Now these 2 might be harder. These are more related to science. That'll be your hand. Yes, good, because we're learning about it right now. We're going to take a test over what?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Good job, guys. Photosynthesis. Good. All right, now this one might be super hard. What do you think this might be?
Photoelectric.
Close. That is a word that contains our morpheme. This one is actually electric, called photon. Has anybody heard of the word photon? This means just like a particle of light. Okay, so a photon is like a little particle of light. It's like energy. Okay, so based on that, what do you think our definition of this word is going to be? Okay, photos are morpheme. What do you think the definition of photo is going to be based on these pictures? What do you think the definition is going to be? Photos.
Take something.
To take something. That's a good guess. Okay. What does this look like?
Light.
Light. Good. Okay. So, you guessed it. Today we're going to learn about the morpheme photo. How will this go over? There it goes. Okay, so we're going to learn about the morpheme photo. Say photo.
Photo.
Okay, photo means light. So, does anybody have a guess on what root base or where this came from? Because we have our different color cards. Do you think it might be, what do you think it might be, Sky?
German.
German. Okay, that's a good guess. What else do you want it to be? Latin. What's our other one? Greek. Good. So this is photo. It is a Greek base, or the root is Greek. Okay, it means light. So what I want you to do is I want you to grab a card out of your morpheme boxes. We're going to grab a green one. Remember, because each one is a different root base. So today we're doing green for Greek. Okay, and I want you to write down that photo means light. On the front of your card, you're going to put photo written across. Now, we hear the word photo and we hear the sound. And and you might think, oh, that's going to be an F. It is the PH sound, photo. So make sure you spell it right on the front of your card. So put photo across your green card. Photo means light. So like our example words with photosynthesis, that is where that is a plant making energy, making its own food. Okay, so it needs energy from the sun, it needs carbon dioxide. So those are different things. It's the process where the plant gets energy to grow. All right, so on the back you're going to put light. Now we got to think of examples of the words. So what are some of the examples I talked about? What were they?
Photograph.
Photograph, good. Photograph. What are other ones?
Photographer.
Photographer. Can you think of any that were not on the board?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Photograph. Wait.
Has anyone ever been told that they're photogenic? No, that means like they're just good at taking photos or they can't take a bad photo. Sometimes people tell, oh, you're so photogenic. Or have any of you ever done a family photo shoot? Have you done a family photo shoot? So that's another one that has photo in it. Can you think of any other words that have the word photo, the morpheme photo in it? Go ahead and write some examples on the back of your card. You can use some of these or use some of your own. Perfect. Good job. All right, so now I want you to also draw a picture on the back of your card. Okay, draw a picture that when you see this picture, you're going to think, okay, that reminds me that photo means light. It could be a sunshine. Oh, good, Sky, I like your sunshine. It could be maybe a light bulb. I think that's what I might draw as a light bulb. It could be maybe a photograph. It could be a photo, like Elric drew a photograph and a light bulb. Yeah. Yes, draw a picture on the line side. Whatever you think is going to help you remember the word photo. What is that one?
I think that's such a perfect light bulb.
That's
She's
not
a great
perfect.
artist, don't you remember?
A light bulb. All right, so now we need to work together and think of emotion. What is going to help you guys remember that photo means light?
Oh, I know.
You got one? What is it?
It's light.
Light.
On, off.
On, off. Do you want to do it like this? On, off. On, off. On, off. I like it. Do you like it? On, off. Do it. Point at, or you can point like a light bulb, like ding, when you have an idea, a light bulb. On, off. Okay, perfect. All right, Savannah, what does photo mean? Light. What does photo mean, Sky? Light. What does photo mean, Elric?
Light.
What does light, what's the morpheme for light, JL? Photo. Good job. Okay, so our motion is on, off. So when I say, when we do our three-part drill in a minute, and I say, what morpheme means light, you're going to say what?
Photo.
Photo. Good. Photo. All right, perfect. So I am just presenting photo to you right now. We're going to add it into our morpheme ring, so it's going to be one of our cards. And we're going to do three-part drill, and I'm going to incorporate it in there, okay? So it's going to be in there. We're going to practice it, and then after we do three-part drill, we're going to do a little bit more practice with photos so that we can really nail it into our brains, okay? All right, so the next thing we're going to do, wrong way, is we are going to do the first part of our three-part drill, okay? I'm going to start off by giving you the definitions for each morpheme, okay? And we're going to do say it, spell it, say it. So just like we do every day, say it, spell it, say it. Alright, so I'm going to give you the definition, and then you're going to respond by saying the morpheme, spelling it, saying it. Alright, and try to do your motions with it. I know you don't want to go full out and all the things, but just do a little one, just so we can really practice those. Okay, what morpheme means bad or wrong?
Miss. M-I-S.
Good, miss, M-I-S, miss. What morpheme means before or in front of?
For. F-O-R-E, for.
Good, for, F-O-R-E, for. Good job, guys. Okay, what morpheme means to burst or break?
Rupt. R-U-P-T, rupt.
Perfect, that was awesome. Okay, which morpheme means back or again?
R-E.
Perfect, good job. Okay, this morpheme means to pull.
Track.
Track. T-R-A-C-T, track.
Good job. All right, this morpheme means more than one.
S-E-S.
S-E-S, good job. All right, this is a Latin base. It means to shape.
Form. F-O-R-M, form.
F-O-R-M form, good job. All right, this morpheme means past tense.
E-D.
E-D, good. This morpheme means action or process.
I-N-G.
Good, good. Okay, this morpheme means not or opposite of.
U-N.
U-N. All right, now here's one of our newer ones. This is the one we learned this week. This morpheme means sound.
Phone. F-P-H-O-N. Phone.
P-H-O-N. Good. I know it's easy to think phone. F-O-N, but good job. All right, phone. Good. All right, this morpheme means to write or draw.
Graph.
Graph. Graph and what?
Graph.
Graph and gram. Good. All right, now this morpheme means light.
P-H-O-T-O.
Good, JL. Photo. Everyone say photo.
Photo.
Photo means what?
Light.
Light. Good job. All right, that was perfect. I loved it. Now we're going to do the next part of our drill, which is the visual one. This is where you guys are going to see the word on the board. You're going to say it, define it, say it. Okay, so you're going to say the word, give me the meaning, and then say it again. All right, so let's do it.
Read. Back or again. Read.
Good job. Good. Good job. I like how you did the motion too. All right.
Track. To pull. Track.
Good.
S-E-S. More than one.
More than one. Perfect.
S-E-S. Read. E-D. Back or
Close.
in the past. E-D.
Good. In the past. ED. It's easy to think back or again, but that one is, which one is that one?
R-E. Read.
Re. Yeah. Good. Re is back or again. Good. So ED is in the past.
I-N-G. Action or process.
Good.
I-N-G.
Action or process. All right. Here we go. Next one.
U-N. Not or opposite of.
UN is not or opposite of. Who gets that one confused with miss? Yeah, me too, Savannah. What? Not Savannah, Kaylee. What is miss though?
Bad or wrong.
Bad or wrong. Very good job. So don't get those two confused. UN is not or opposite of.
Miss. Bad or wrong.
Good. There it is. I didn't know it was next, but miss is bad or wrong. Good. All right. Couple more.
Before in front of.
Before or in front of. Good job. 4.
Track. What? To burst or break.
Good. To burst or break. Good. All right.
Form. To shape.
To
Form.
shape, form. Good. All right. Keep going. We're almost there. I know. Keep going.
Graph or gram.
To write or draw.
Good. Good. Graph or gram is to write or draw.
Phone.
Sound.
To sound.
Good.
Sound.
Phone is sound. Good.
Light.
Light.
Photo. Light.
Good. What's our motion?
Photo. Light.
Good. Good job. Awesome. Okay. So, like I said, we're going to do the last part of our 3-part drill, which is our morpheme analysis. So reach into your boxes, grab your whiteboards and your markers. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. Okay. The first word I want you to do is we are going to do, let's do this one. graph. Remember, morphemic analysis, we're breaking apart the word parts, okay? With our plus signs and our arrows that symbolize rewritten as. So go ahead and write this on your boards. Good job. Good job, JL. Yep, perfect. Good, Sky. Perfect. Perfect. Good job. Now do your arrow and then rewrite them all. But yes, that's perfect. Good. Perfect. Yep, that's right. All right. So where did our plus sign go?
Between photo and graph.
Good. It went between photo and graph. So our plus sign was here. Sky, can you say our word? What is it?
THOTO plus GRAPH written as THOTO GRAPH photograph.
Perfect. He said photo plus graph is photograph. Now listen, we have now learned both of these meanings. What does photo mean?
Light.
It means light. What does graph mean?
To write drawing.
To write or draw. So if we put these together, light and to draw, what does that really mean? We don't think of pictures as light drawings, do we? No, we don't. But back in the day when they were taking pictures, they would use a flash to capture the shadows to take pictures. And we don't really do that now because we have a lot of technology and cameras. But back then, the only way they could do pictures is through a big flash of light. So this is where that's coming from. So really, it's a flash of a picture of a drawing. So that's why they named this photograph. But good. All right, so we're going to do our next one. Don't let me trick you on this one. Our next word is retracting. Retracting. Perfect. Good job. Yep, I gotcha. Awesome. Good. I didn't trick any of you guys. All right. What did we have? How many morphemes are in this?
3.
3. Where did we put the first plus sign between, Savannah? This one right here. Re. Good. Re. That's a race. Re plus tract. Now, do I just leave it like that? No. Where's it go, Savannah? Not Savannah, Kaylee. Good. After tract. So we have re plus tract plus ing is rewritten as retracting, and then we would spell it retracting. Good job. Okay, we're gonna do 2 more. All right, try this one. Misspell. Misspell.
I did.
Perfect. Yep, you got it. Good, good. Yes, perfect. All right, Elric, can you say this one for me?
This was.
Yep, perfect.
It's supposed to be M-I-S plus S-P-E-L-L. Yes. Misspell.
Perfect. Good. Miss plus spell is rewritten as misspell. Good. Now, if I were to put the plus right here. Would that be right?
No.
No, because our morpheme is miss. It's M-I-S. Miss with two S's means like sometimes you say Mrs. Gilpin, or it's like you catch the ball. Now that would be different. Okay, so good. You put the miss after the M-I-S. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do one more. One more. All right. Megaphone. Megaphone. Good, good, good. Yes, awesome. All right. JL, where do we put our plus sign?
Speaking, megaphone.
Megaphone. Good. And it is rewritten as what? Spell it out.
MEGA plus PHONE is rewritten as MEGAPHONE megaphone.
Perfect. Now, where is our morpheme in this?
Phone.
Good, phone. And what does phone mean?
To hear.
Sound. Good. So we know that phone means sound, and when we think of mega, we think of something big. So what do we think that means altogether? What do we know what a megaphone is? They use it, they use it to, be louder. They use it when they're cheering as a cheerleader, okay? So it's like a big sound. We can think of it as something that we use to make a sound really loud. So good. And then with misspell, we know our morpheme is what? What is it, Savannah? Misspell. Where's our morpheme? Miss. Good. And that means what? Bad or wrong. So we know that if it's misspelled, then they have spelled something wrong. Good. Awesome. Okay, you can go ahead and take your whiteboards and markers, put them in your boxes, and now we're going to do a little exercise with the word photo so that we can learn more about it and explore it. So you're going to need your Chromebooks and your journals. Pull out your Chromebooks and your journals. Good. Okay. Here's our directions. So you are going to pick 3 words with the word photo in it. How many words?
3.
3. 3 words with the word 3 words with the morpheme photo in it. Okay? You're gonna write those 3 words down on the next clean page in your journal. You're gonna use your computer and use dictionary.com. It's right here on the board. Okay? And you're gonna define the word that you chose. So if you did photography, you're gonna type that into dictionary.com and write down the definition under the word. All right. After you do that, you're gonna go to this website, thesaurus.com, and find a synonym for that word. And you're going to put that under the definition. And you're going to do that for each word. So we're only doing 3 words. Okay?
Photo.
Yeah, you can just do photo or photos. That has 2 of our morphemes in it. Photo and S-E-S, which is more than 1. Good. So pick 3 words, write them down, find your definitions, and then find a synonym for it.
So it's E-E-S.
It's no, just S. Photos. Good. I'll write some of the example words on the board so you know how to spell them.
I see. Photos.
Use that one.
Okay, dictionary.
This is a slash right here. You can use photograph or photography. You can use
It's blocked by Chrome.
Dictionary.com is blocked?
Yeah. Can you help me get on there?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me add one more.
Well, I lied.
Oh, it's on there? Okay. Yes. Perfect. And you're just going to type your word in here. And if you need to use your green or morphine ring with cards on it, you can.
There's no results.
For which word?
Photo.
That's good. Oh.
PH.
O-T-O.
Photo.
Yes. Yeah.
So the subject is photo fiction. Like,
Just S. Good. Good. So I think your definition would really just be that. So you write down the word and then the definition. Is that all we do? And a synonym for the word you chose. And you're gonna do it for 3 words. So you're gonna have 3 words, 3 definitions, and 3 synonyms. And when you're done, just let me know and I'll come around and check it. Someone's dropping their water bottle.
what?
Uh-oh, did it die?
That's what picture P-I-C-U-E-R. P-I-C-U-R. Something on there.
There it goes. What does that word mean? Chemical reaction. Huh. This guy's looking up the word photoactivation. It's a big one. Yes. No, just until. Just put process.
Word.
Good job, Rick. You only have to put this right here. The quantity of the book. Yes, right there. Perfect. Did it not have one? Hold on here. So photosynthesis doesn't have a synonym.
Oh, you know what? Yeah.
You don't have a synonym.
Photosynthesis.
Yeah. If you're doing photosynthesis as one of your words, it doesn't really have a synonym because it's a process, like a scientific process. Okay, let me check it. So don't worry about that one. Okay, so you have photo, cartoon. Where is your synonym?
The cartoon is listed.
Where's your definition?
Right here. There it is.
Yeah, add that one back. Okay.
Picture.
Photos.
Art.
Photograph.
Cartoon.
What does this say? A mug?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You ready for me to check? Okay. Photo acting. Emitting radiation having chemical effects. Photo action. Activation. Oh, these are all very scientific. Photo. Photo aging. Damage to the sky. Wrinkles. Perfect. And then are you gonna do a synonym for each one? Yeah. Perfect. And then you'll be done.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Are you good, girls? Perfect. How are you doing, Stan? Good. Okay. I don't know what that is. Oh. Good. Perfect. Good job. Am I good to erase this list? Yeah? Okay. I'm good. Okay, let me check it. Process of plants. Person takes photography. Awesome. Perfect. I love it. want to get on iReady for a couple minutes, you can. Or you can draw a picture for each word. Perfect. Okay, you're good. You do reading. Did you finish? Perfect. Okay. Photonuclear. Ooh, that's a new one. Photo disintegration. Photograph. Oh, perfect. Did you know that photonuclear was a thing?
No.
Yeah. That's crazy, isn't it?
What's that mean?
Photonuclear, it says it's caused by the collision of high energy photons. So it's like a collision of light and energy. Alright, you ready for me to check it? Perfect. Good job, Elric. Alright, so everyone's finished. Look up here really, really quick. Crack your computers really quick. Put them in the crack, all the way down to the little crack. Crack it. Okay, perfect. Alright, so before we finish up, let's just review really, really quick our word and then our learning target. Okay, so I'm gonna, yeah, you can put it in your box. I'm gonna erase, what is that? Which one is this one? Okay, I'm gonna erase phone and then change it to photo. So we are learning about the morpheme photo, or we learned, and how it can change the meaning of the word. So we know that the word part, morpheme photo, means what?
Light.
It means light. So we can use that knowledge to help us understand other words with the morpheme photo in it. Okay? So we can identify the morpheme photo and its meaning. I can create word sums and I can build sentences using words with photo. And that's what we just did. We just built words. We used words that had photo in it, looked them up in their meanings, and then built the sentences. I can increase my fluency rate, and we'll work on that later. All right, so we're good. For right now, you can close, get on your laptops, and do a little bit of iReady reading.
Any session?
Yes.